Well, good day, everyone. Happy Monday afternoon to each and every one of you. King 5 Meteorologist Adam Claibon here to talk about our system that it's heading out. We're going to see that decrease the rain chances here tonight. We still have some snow expected across the mountains too, and still advisories and winter storm warnings out because of that snow across the Cascades. But we go throughout the week, and then there is a warm up by the end of the week that really looks nice. It should coincide with our St. Patrick's Day forecast, which we're going to talk about here also in a second. First, what's happening out there depends on where exactly you are. First, a look at what's happening out across the north coast. And La Push actually has some areas of sunshine. You can see some of those clouds moving on by. Now, this is right around the noon hour, so things could change a little bit. Could see a pop-up shower here or there, but I think overall we're going to see drier times than not here for the rest of your Monday. Now, it's going to be a bit different here closer to Puget Sound and across parts of interior western Washington. Cloudier skies here at our Granite Falls School Net side, kind of misty looking, still kind of damp looking too, as we're going to keep some showers around here throughout the afternoon. So speaking of Seattle, we're expecting to see those temperatures back into the mid 40s for those afternoon highs. A peak of sunshine or two, but also expecting to see some more showers too as we go throughout the day. But the trend is drier as we go later on into the afternoon and throughout the evening. Now, here's a look at the radar picture, and you can see more of that moisture off to the south and also quite a bit of it too off to the east, and also noticing what's happening farther to the north too, which we're going to zoom in there across parts of northern interior. First, you can see the coast is actually drying out quite a bit. We still have some of those showers that will be spotty in nature throughout the rest of today. You have some lighter chances of rain here into the early afternoon right along parts of South Sound, most of that heading up into the foothills now. And then you can tell right here, looking at northern interior up across the San Juan Islands, even parts of Camino and Whidbey Island too, that we have this convergence zone with our wind direction coming more out of the southwest, and that flow that's going to be a little farther north in nature this go around as opposed to what we usually see it. So in those areas, especially the North Cascades where we expect to see more snow, we expect to see the better chance of rain here throughout the rest of your Monday. So the farther south you go, central and south Cascades, still expecting snow amounts between 5 to 10 inches as we're still under that winter weather advisory. That ends at 11 p.m. tonight. Elevations above 3,000 feet could expect those totals, but the farther north you go, this is where we have heavier totals that are expected with that convergence zone band that's going to continue on here throughout the evening. Anywhere between 5 to 15 inches of snow expected into some of those parts, and still same snow levels above 3,000 feet and still until 11 p.m. later tonight. Future radar shows that activity will hold on there, but otherwise a lot of us begin to dry on out, and also could see again a few sun breaks possible here later into the afternoon while we keep that band going right there. Northern Snohomish, parts of Skagit, and maybe even parts of Whatcom County to go along with that too. Behind will be areas of rain that will start to move on through. We'll see those small chances late tonight, and then early tomorrow morning you can see a small chance too around before that starts to break apart, and I think a good part of Tuesday going to stay dry. Deeper on into the forecast period, we go into Tuesday night staying dry, late Tuesday night into early Wednesday, another system rolling on through. That will start to bring in a slight and a quick chance of rain. That moves on by. We go throughout the rest of Wednesday. Again, not really all that wet, definitely not a soaking system by any means at all. And it's behind that we really start to notice things kicking up with our temperatures as we go deeper into the week. First, the amounts of rain we still expect here over the next couple of days, 1/10 of an inch, if that here for most spots. Could see a little more the farther north you go into Skagit and Whatcom counties. And then looking at the temperatures, once we get past that Wednesday system, check out the warm up. Thursday, mid 50s, we'll take that, but we could be approaching 60 degrees on St. Patty's Day on Friday. Looks like we'll probably stay shy, and then things will start to cool back down again for the weekend. Here's today's forecast: a mid 40s, Anacortes up to 45. Expect to see those showers kind of on and off here as we go throughout the day. Better chances up north than what we're going to see farther south, where some of us could flirt with that 50-degree mark, like in Kingston, Paulsbo. 47 in Linwood. We'll top off at 46 in Redmond, and then farther south here, South Sound, a few more clouds sticking around, so probably the best we can do are mid to upper 40s. And your forecast the next 7 days going to show a lot more 50s showing up on the forecast. Now, average high now for this time of the year, it's up to 54 degrees. So we hit that on Thursday, and then we get above that heading into Friday, and it's nice to see those partly sunny, mostly sunny icons showing up there without any sort of rain, and finally getting a little bit of a break from all the active and chilly weather we've been dealing with for quite some time. So if you love the sunshine and more of the warm weather, it's on the way later this weekend. For the rest of today, just make sure to have the rain gear ready and nearby. Take care, everyone. Have a marvelous Monday. We'll talk to you soon.